Another morning, another day of the creek moving really fast, and overnight a lot of rain. And I don't think we're done yet. Probably mostly done, but not quite done. Good morning. Yeah, it's moving, it's booking. Well, I'm thankful to be out here and it's not raining while I'm trying to feed the kitties, and hopefully they have enough time to eat before it rains anymore. I need to go look at the radar and see exactly what's in store for us today. Maybe the hour by hour too. I don't have any outside plans today, so it won't matter too much, but I like being out here and not wet. Good morning, Stripe. There is a light rain, but this boy seems to need some attention, so we're gonna walk. I've got my headgear on because my big, you know, wrap around head thing, because I'd rather do that than carry an umbrella. Like I said, he seems to need a walk this morning. He's keeping me going just like a dog would. Come on, Tux. So school's back in session today. The low temperature here was 33. Wake County went on a regular schedule. Johnny's got a math test today. He did good on the quiz a few days ago, so no reason to believe he wouldn't do well on the actual test. And we're all good. And like I said, we had a lot more rain overnight. It's pretty and full on this side of the driveway too. I heard Mike, our favorite meteorologist, say that there's a lot of sun coming up in the 7-day and a couple of days with 60-degree temps, so we won't complain about drying out a bit. Ah, this is as far as you go, Bubba. Turn around. Oh, you gonna throw yourself over again? Let's go. Come on, let's go. I'm here standing on the bridge. It's a Y. You can see the water comes in from the street and comes in from the other street. It comes in from two directions. There's a lot of it. Up there, it's really deep at that one spot under that dead tree, like 4 feet at least down. It comes gushing over there. Come on, buddy. It's continued to be one of those gray, cloudy, damp, cold February days, although it has, at least for the time being, stopped raining. And, you know, Dawn's been working, Johnny's been doing school, and I've been here working on my Legos and fixing lunch and making a few phone calls and handling this and handling that. It just kind of turned into one of those days. So you can see here I've got the kitchen, the dining room table. There's a fish tank here. It does have a fish in it, and a fireplace and a little love seat. And my nougat bricks were coming from Idaho, and they've been delayed probably because of the ice storm. They were supposed to be here tomorrow. Maybe they'll, I don't know when they're going to come now. Excuse me, they were supposed to be here today. Maybe they'll get here tomorrow. But I'm kind of need to go up on the walls now, and I'm waiting. I'm waiting on stuff on both sides. Now I've also built this bed that's going to go on the 3rd floor of the candy store. Is going to be the bedroom, bathroom area. So that's ready to go. And these cute little ice cream cone guys came from one of my orders. These cute little ice cream cone guys came from one of my orders. So, yep, I'm plugging along. So, yep, I'm plugging along. I pulled Ruby out just a little bit ago because Johnny and I were looking for something. And I am taking Johnny to a friend's house. They're going to go roller skating tonight, and then his dad's going to pick him up later. So we're headed to North Raleigh at rush hour on Friday afternoon. Hopefully it'll be fine. Yeah, we're headed up near the Raleigh Supercharger. It's 30 miles, 42 minutes. We'll be there on time. I won't need to supercharge. Ruby's got 200 miles range. Have fun.
See you later.
Bye. I got Johnny dropped off, no problems. Took about 45 minutes to get up here. We'll see if I get home. Ruby says 41 minutes to the house, but we'll see if there's any traffic delays.
They're taking all the photos, and many can't sing or dance worth a damn. Do I sound bitter?
Well, traffic's busy, but it's basically going the speed limit, so I can't complain. I'm almost through the worst part of it. There's a lot of construction up here on 540 between, you know, Cary and North Raleigh. You know, I don't know how this happens to me, but the main character in this book, this is the third in the series, she has just been introduced to Nikola Tesla because she's traveled back in time. I had no clue. I really had no clue. I mean, I knew she was traveling back. She's like in 1884 in Edison's lab or something. I'm just sort of stunned.
Most people in 2016 and 2019 knew the name Tesla from the Tesla Roadster, produced by Elon Musk. Eve had studied Tesla, if only peripherally, but she'd learned much about the man, and knew him to have been one of the greatest geniuses of all time. Even Einstein thought so. Eve recalled a quote. Once, when Einstein was asked how it felt to be the smartest man alive, Eve replied, "I don't know. You'll have to ask Nikola Tesla."
Well, the sun is setting here at South Park, and look who got themselves out for their run. I thought he was already back at the house. Hey, Donnie.
Hey, pretty girl. I'm hungry.
Okay, I'll go make some food.
Yeah.
He's cutting it close. It's 5:50 p.m.